Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want podcast with my friend, with a guest, Fatan Azariski, about study more or rest more. What is better for students? Because this actually effective for studying.
Okay, hi Raffi. Okay, so first, before we start, let me introduce myself. So my name is Fatan Zariski. You can call me Fatan.
My name is Davi Sarachmadi. You can call me Davi. Okay. Now, how about your thing? Study more or rest more? What is better for students?
There's some point that I have in here. So for the first point is academic improvement. So you see, more study time increase understanding of lesson. So it's better to study more. Then help education get better grades and achievement and build strong academic foundation. So conclusion of this point is more study is making the academic is better for me. So because you learn, you get you get knowledge and then you become smart and then you have a better grade in academic and others. That's for my point.
Oh, if for me is mental health and focus. If you always too much studying, causes is stress and burnout. Like when you study, you can focus because your head is already get dizzy or confused, and rest help more uh, revive and focus better. Like after you sleep in China, after break time, you can sleep first for maybe 15 minutes for more effective learning because your brain is get refreshed. And last point is healthy mind improve learning quality like before. After you sleep, your brain is get refreshed, and after get refreshed, you can more learning easily.
So your point is about resting more because you have a uh, better mind, right? So of course, there's the second point is future investment for me. So knowledge is long-term investment. You see, if you have a long knowledge, like you have a knowledge to business or you have knowledge for making a company, it will become a long-term investment because all of the biggest character in the here is knowledge for investation. Then the next one is student who study more are more prepared for college and jobs. You see, there's two students. One is very good at study, is very more in study, so he will become prepared for college, like for the next education and also jobs because he's already good and have adaptation and have prepared for the jobs. Next one is help improve competitive in a global world. You see, in a global world, we need a good knowledge for global and universal. Like you in Indonesia, you just have knowledge that from Indonesia, like Indonesian language, and then IPS. That's not important for universal because in global world you need to learn many things like math, IPA, and other universal or global global knowledge. That's why.
Okay. For me, for the second point is better productivity. When you rested, students learn faster on math and getting more efficiency. Because if your brain is getting overheated or make your confused, you will can get the thing. Like when you're learning and then you get what sleepy, you just sleep first and then back to learning for get more efficiency on learning and short study and good rest, long study without a focus. Yeah, you study but you need refreshing too. When you study, you just refreshing if you already get bored or sleeping, and then improve memory retention. If you get sleep, That make your brain is more refreshed and didn't get overheat like computer lah. If you always use the computer to 24 hours per day, yeah, non-stop, that can make overheating and broke the computer.
Okay, that's the point is the productivity for you. That I have a 3 point point that discipline is responsibility. Studying is regularly built for discipline. There are so many people that is studying, but his study is just like kidding. But if you study more much and get a better study, you will become a discipline. Because why? Because you learn about the future is very hard, and also you learn that you have many things that you cannot do, so you have to be disciplined because that you need to learn more that discipline is better for me. And next is study and learn time management. So student that are less studying, he cannot doing time management. Like he will playing handphone when he study, or he will playing laptop, or he will listening music, and others like he will get distracted by the internet. Like you when study, but there was a notification from your phone that will distract. That not good at time management. So if you get more study, you will learn that future is hard. That you need to doing time management. Like in some, you need to learn like for hours, and then you can play for 30 minutes. That is time management for me. Next is create a strong work ethic for the future work friends. The more you learn, you will become stronger. Because what? Because when you learn, you know that there was so many enemy in this world. So you need to have strong work ethic and future work sense. You can see in the future like you need to become better. So that's why you need to study more to get better in the future. That's why.
That's for your point. Okay, for my point, third point is creativity and balance. Free time, like you're just doing a podcast like this or hobbies. Maybe that's for increase the creativity. Like before, after your learning, you can maybe doing your hobbies or doing your activity on your own activity like playing ball first or just sleep for refreshing, and after that you can back to your study or just continue your uh, project and help students think more critically, like when he have a problem, because you're always relaxed when have a problem you can just thinking normal because your brain is not taking more stress when get a problem. And last is for my point is builds balanced lifestyle, like balancing, not just always study but you need refreshing too. If you get more study like 24-hour study, you will get stressed and your brain will getting uh, overheat, and after that you can maybe just 5 hours for study and 1 hour for sleeping or just three is maximum for sleeping.
Okay, that's why. Okay, this I also get a point from relation Indonesia. So you already know that in the news, like Indonesia still face low human resource quality in some areas. Why? Because in Indonesia, the areas is not supported by the government. Like the government just give the education for the good area, like the big area like Jakarta and other cities, like in the good cities. But in like in the village, like in village what, village A, village B, they have a low education. That's why you need to learn more. Because what? Because you have a low SDM, like Indonesia is have a low SDM issue. Like so you need to learn more and study more that will increase your SDM. Next one is one cause is lack a stronger one cause is lack of strong education habits. So you need to have a strong education habits because SDM issue in here. You have to doing education like many stories that there was a one people that live in the village that is not have a good education, but he learned so many things like he go to the outside of village and then learn and go back bringing off the book and then learn again. Then he becomes success because he is learn so many things. That's why the area is also not that good because you need to have a strong education habits like the people that I say. The third one is increasing a study time can help improve national competitiveness. Yeah, okay, Indonesian is have a low SDM. Like he need to improve national competitive. Like if you want to study, if you want to get a job outside of the Indonesian, you need to increase study time. Like if you want to study college in Russia, you need to learn more. Like you want to learn about Russia habits, you want to learn about others like Russian language and others like national competitive and also others others countries is want to work in Indonesia because Indonesia have a low budget monthly budget, so that's why you need to be competitive if you want to get a job in Indonesia too because you have a competitor from other country like Malaysia, like Thailand and others country.
Okay. The relation to Indonesia for my point is like for yeah Sam as well as the issue is many students experience academic pressure and fatigue. Like when your dad and your mom talk to you for get more study or doing a extracurricular, if you don't want, just say. Because if you just do what your mom and dad say, you will get stressed and get more pressure for your mental health. That's is very important because if you get a mental breakdown, you can get depression or stress and easy to angry. And this readers learning quality instead of improving SDM. Like you need more improving SDM for yeah like before. You just study but don't too much. And poor mental health can lower productivity of future works. If your mental health is poor, like didn't have a good mental health, you will get just have a little problem, you will get mental breakdown and then you get stress or depression. Even if the bad things, yeah, you can kill yourself.
Okay, that's the point. So in for this podcast, I already get the conclusion. So I think balance is the key for us. Like studying is important for knowledge and future success. That's true because why? Because if you don't study anymore, you will not success in the future, right? Yeah, but rest is important for health and better focus. So if you want to learn, you need to rest too. Like you have to sleep for 1 or 2 hours, like.
Too much of one side can be harmful. Like if you too much learning, you will get always like you're thinking about the what you learned. Like this what yeah before, and then later I must do what yeah. You just need relax, and the best solution is balance between study and rest. Like study 5 hour and then sleep 2 hour or 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, that's all the conclusion point.
Okay, maybe thank you very much for joining my deep discussion or
Yes, thank you
podcast.
for request me. Okay, maybe that's all from us.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.